This address is
13023 North Santiam Lane, Southeast, Aumsville, 97325.
this is a house that experienced fire damage. So we're just going to walk on the outside of this house, and then we'll do another video for the inside. So this side doesn't look bad. Okay, we're going to come around to where the fire started, looking at this video. Obviously this roof has got to go, because on the other end the roof is all messed up. The gutters got to go too, so it needs new gutters as well. And this is the other side of the house. You can see the roof is ready to go, and all the gutters are messed up, ready to go. The fire was on this section of the house. You can see the roof. So where the two ridges meet at the top, I'm suggesting that starting at that ridge up there all the way across the top needs to come out completely, because it's all burnt. We'll see a little bit more once we get to the inside. The foundation doesn't look too bad, except for a couple minor cracks here and there. You can see where the soffit got damaged and burnt. That has to be replaced as well on this side. This is where the fire started, and it burnt everything. Right here. This whole section of the house will be coming out. All of this here. All along, you can see the roof. It burnt all the way back. That's all got to come out. Okay, on this side, obviously this got burnt as well. All the way on this side, you can see the tarps are on the roof, so we would have to continue taking out this house, this portion of the house. All this has got to go all the way up to that ridge line right up here, to that ridge line there. And then windows, obviously. This window over here looks okay. So starting with this window right here, and this line right here, cut this and go back all the way that way to the end of the house. Take all of it out, down to the foundation. So that's the end of the exterior of the home that needs to be replaced.